Today I am Payal
And I Pragya Singh
of Japanal DAV Public School RB.
are going to present a healthy and tasty dish.
That is pearl millets or bajra.
Take 1 bowl of bajra. First clean it. Soak it overnight. Clean it 2 to 3 times and then soak it. Take a pressure cooker, put the bajra with 1.5 cup of water. Give 7 to 8 whistles till the bajra becomes well cooked.
Take 4 to 5 serving spoons of boiled bajra. Add well chopped tomato, onion, capsicum and carrot. Add chaat masala, salt and black pepper according to your taste. Squeeze 1 lemon and mix it well. Millet is a good source of protein, fiber, vitamins and minerals. The potential health benefits of millet include protecting cardiovascular health, preventing the onset of diabetes, and helping people achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Garnish the salad with lemon slices and coriander and it is ready to serve.